Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we will be making one pan garlic noodles. It's a great recipe because it basically screams out college student who all of a sudden has guests and needs to throw something together real quick. So yeah, this is a really quick and simple dish to make. So for our ingredients, you'll need 8 ounces of spaghetti. I mean, you can use any long noodle, but I'm using spaghetti because it's the most accessible noodle, I feel like. And then for the sauce, you'll need 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. And then over here we have 6 cloves of garlic minced. You don't have to use 6 cloves, you can use less or even more if you like. This is just based off of preference, but yeah. I have some scallions and I have 15 shrimp. And if you don't like shrimp, or if you're allergic to shrimp, or you just don't have shrimp, you can use whatever protein you have in the fridge or the freezer. Or you can completely omit protein, that's fine too. And that's it for our ingredients. Let's get started. In a deep saucepan, I went ahead and boiled 5 cups of water that I oiled and salted. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in the noodles. Allow to boil for 8 to 10 minutes, or as per box directions. In the meanwhile, as our noodles are boiling, we can go ahead and mix together our sauce ingredients. So here we go in with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, as well as our 1 teaspoon of chili oil sauce, or chili garlic sauce. And give it a good mix. Time to strain our noodles. In the same pan, add some oil. Let's go ahead and add in our garlic. and we will saute until golden. Now let's go ahead and add in our shrimp. Now that the shrimp is cooked, let's go ahead and add in our sauce. Make sure to lower your heat. Let it deglaze the bottom of your pan. Let's go ahead and add in our noodles. Should I use a...
That one's fine. That it makes me hungry more. So I didn't eat lunch. I could eat all that.
Make sure to combine well. I think if I use like the tongs, right? So here is the final product, our one pan garlic noodles. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.